Hi, welcome to Projects with Steve. Today I'm going to make a napkin holder. This is a fairly easy DIY project. Doesn't require many tools or many supplies. The only tools you're going to need to make this is a miter saw, tape measure, wood glue, a brad nailer, some wood filler, sandpaper, and it's just purely made out of 1x3. Basically you can make it out of scrap wood, but mine is just 1x3 pine wood. And then you'll need some stain and polyurethane to finish it. We were just tired of having our napkins just sit out in the open on top of our refrigerator, so I wanted to make a nice holder for it. The first thing that I did is you're going to make the four sides. This napkin holder is 8.5 inches wide by 8 inches, and so you just make four sides, miter the corners on a 45-degree angle. And then after I had that, I then made the base, and the base is just made out of 3 pieces of that 1x3. The center of the 3 pieces, you'll need to trim it down to the correct width to fit it inside those 4 edges. One of the sides of napkin holder, I wanted to make an opening and I wanted it rounded, so I just found a circle template sitting around and found one that was the size that I wanted, and I just centered that on that one edge, marked it out with a pencil and cut it out with a jigsaw. All the pieces were assembled with wood glue. In addition to glue, the 4 sides are also brad nailed to the bottom. So this is a pretty easy project. Most people can do it in an evening or two. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more DIY projects, please subscribe to my channel. So once I had it all assembled, I added some wood filler in on all the cracks and then went through it with some sandpaper and got it nice and smooth before applying the finish. Also, once it was completed, I also added some of those felt pads to the bottom of the napkin holder so that it slides easily on the countertop and doesn't mark anything up. And the finish that I'm going to use is the Wax Ebony Color Stain. This is a stain that I've used several times for different items in our house. I'm going to give it a bit of a rustic look. And so how I achieve this look is I first apply the stain, I let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I wipe it off. Once the stain is dried, I then go back and give it a couple coats of polyurethane. Now on this project I use the Varathane triple thick polyurethane, the clear satin. In between the first and second coats, I do go and give it a good sanding. Sanding in between coats makes a big difference on how smooth the final product ends up. To achieve the rustic look on the edges, I did sand down those edges after applying the stain, but before I applied the polyurethane. I hope this video sparks your interest to build your own napkin holder. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. So if you'd like to stay up to date on any of the projects I get into, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.